Yes, and she makes light of it all, just as we are doing now. When you consider light, you must go back a few years, a few million years, and view the world as it was then, like a huge botanical garden. It saw the arrival of a very strange creature, half ape, half man. And comical though it may seem, especially to the ladies, he was destined to rule the world. Two essentials were fire and light. Primitive man learned the secret of making fire. So the first firearm was born, the torch. It was the only way the Stone Age man could get lit up. But the various forms of artificial light developed quickly. Every succeeding generation saw things in a new light, so to speak, sometimes two lights. By now, the game was worth the candle. After a while, the candlestick gave way to the lamp. At one time, light was thought to be a sort of hail of tiny solid particles, but now we know it's simply an electromagnetic wave, and this is how the eye sees it. If we started another wave just half a wavelength away, one would cancel the other out, and there would be darkness. The black circles in irregular glass, called Newton's rings, are due to this process of cancelling out. Among the many interesting things about sunlight are its component colors, and these can be split up by means of a glass prism. The prism shows what is called the spectrum, and the colors are mauve, blue, blue-green, green, green-yellow, yellow and red. The top line on the chart shows the solar spectrum. The modern spectroscope enables the scientist to analyze the spectrum. And here's the all-important prism. The substance to be analyzed is heated so as to emit gas, and all surplus light is screened off. A peep through the eyepiece shows that every element has its own spectrum. These are visible as bright lines or dark lines in fixed positions, as the diagram shows. Each of the 7 colors is shown up in its true colors by scientific analysis. By pointing the spectroscope to a star, we can actually tell what the star is made of. Today, light is just a matter of touching a switch.
Put that light out, can't you? Blimey, he put the moon out as well.